3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Oh, I froze. Someone take the first crystal.
Covering.
Or not, I got it.
That's so well.
Just take out the rust, Twiz.
Yeah, I'm trying. I got.
Beware.
It's gonna be first rotation on tanks.
Beware.
Pain suppression.
I'm not gonna be able to take the next crystal, somebody take it in melee.
I can't. Someone just gave me torment.
Crazy's up there already. First or second?
Beware.
That's gonna be second rotation on tanks.
It's on crazy now. Enemy's taunting.
Crazy was melee. Remember what I said? Gotta heal him. Give B-res on crazy Melancore.
Back on stern.
Beware.
Someone's gotta take this crystal. I got torment.
We'll get it started.
Balance into backup.
Zan's can get.
Coming.
I got a red.
Need someone in melee for backup.
Trying to get.
Someone needs
I'm
to
there.
take this from Ellen.
Step up.
Beware.
Okay, this is gonna be rotation 1 back on tank.
Judge's got it first. I need somebody to take it after him.
Oh, Sniffle will take it. Okay.
So can you take the next crystal first? Take the second.
Yep.
Beware.
Enemy's taunted.
Someone else needs to grab this melee crystal.
Whenever you're ready. Or not.
Hey, Sniffle, move out of there.
Back on stern.
I need
Will and get
somebody for number
Melancore up.
Have Balance do it. He's not, doesn't have torment.
Balance, get him
I
up.
do.
Beware.
Okay, this is gonna be rotation 2 on tank.
If Melancore does not get up, I need somebody on to take this crystal from me.
Balance, you got.
I'm coming.
Yeah, you can get
I got
tormented.
And Balance,
Great
Jude, get up.
warrior.
Judge, Judge, wait a second before you take the res so he can move.
Beware.
Just tides down. Remember, Mach is melee. Heal him.
Can somebody take this off of Sniffle?
Got it.
Sorry, I went down.
It's on Amy.
Somebody take the next crystal in melee.
Beware.
Next tank rotation. Me and Nav on tanks.
Back on stern.
You just keep it up. 1%, he's dead.
About time. Good job, guys.
Figures that I
Thank
need
you
to save
guys. Way to
1%.
pull together.
Oh
Zans,
crap,
you
we
lucky
didn't put